What I have here is what they call a snapback cover. Let's begin. So what I have here is a snapback cover, which is basically a cover which goes like the Moto Mods, but instead you take off the back into your phone. I'll just do that now. And inside the phone, there are some pin areas. If I'm not mistaken, they're up here and down here. So those are the pins. And what happens is it replaces your back, so you have like a sound module, which I have here. It's called Snapback Sounds, compatible with the Pulse Mix and the A50 series phone. And then you have the sound module, you have a battery pack, which extends by like 5,000 mAh. You have a cool light show, basically notification LED light type of situation. But this one specifically, let's check it out. Does not use any batteries, because these are the ones on the phone. So let's Snapback Sound Start Kit. So attach it, removing kickstand, so you can turn off and on and play audio, blah blah blah. Add quick start guide. Now there's no Bluetooth in this, so it's solely for one phone. Right over here is where the module is attached, which apparently is attached over here. So let's just place this on. As we place this on, now I want to. Now, basically there is a kickstand here too, so you can go like this, and apparently it just restarted itself for some reason. I'm going to look at this quick start guide. And it doesn't say anything attaching. So optimizing, so your phone is a lot thicker now versus what it was before. And now that it did this, there is no fingerprint sensor still. So it automatically shows that it is plugged in. Okay, so you can either you can clear it out, and then what you can do is you can turn up and down the volume, or you can go into the settings. Now you go down to down over to up wherever sound is. And throughout the whole thing, sound enhancement, sound plus. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to go into the music. As you can hear, it does make better sound, so I'm going to turn down that volume. Now let's go here, let's find, whoops, NTS, I don't know why I hid that. Now I've been liking their more recent stuff. So the way I see this is it's basically a Bluetooth or a regular speaker without bass, more or less, more treble than bass. Got it. Okay. Music. I'm going to stop rocking out to that. What I will do now is I will lock the phone from the spot where you pull it off. And I will definitely pull it off here. They make this hard to pull off, which is a good thing. And now that that has been sort of pulled off, now the phone should still be powered on. Sound's removed. Now what I will do here, holy garbage. Wow. This is only 50 bucks and it really enhances this whole, oh my god, I'm in I don't know what to say. It comes with a built-in stand, 50 bucks. The camera's not obtrusive by it. I'll double click this. Camera definitely isn't have anything wrong with it, but oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know what to say other than you have to buy this. You have to get this Snapback sound thing for 50 bucks. It's worth it. Oh my god, I'm so surprised. If you did like this video, please rate, comment, subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and as always, enjoy the rest of your day.